Based on the training video for Datto RMM, here are the key takeaways. Understanding the platform. Datto RMM is a robust remote monitoring and management tool designed to streamline IT operations. Familiarize yourself with its core features, including monitoring, automation, patch management, and remote access. Optimizing performance. To get the most out of Datto RMM, focus on system resource allocation, maintain updated software, optimize database operations, and use efficient automation practices. Best practices for use. Ensure your team is well trained on how to utilize Datto RMM effectively. This includes creating and managing tasks, automating repetitive process, and configuring monitoring to suit your needs without overloading the system. Security and compliance. Keep your RMM environment secure by applying best practices in security, regularly updating the system, and conducting audits to maintain compliance. Support and troubleshooting. Know where to find help when needed. Datto provides various resources such as documentation, user forums, and technical support to assist you with any issues or questions. Additional resources. Documentation. Visit Datto's official documentation for detailed guide, best practices, and advanced topics. User forums. Engage with the community to learn from other users' experience and share your insights. Technical support. For specific issues or advanced troubleshooting, contact Datto's technical support team. Thank you for watching the Datto RMM training. We would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions for future training topics. Please share your feedbacks in the comment or reach out to us with any ideas or content you'd like to see in the future. For further inquiries or support with Datto RMM, please contact them through